If you enjoy my videos, be sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to make sure that you get notified when I upload new videos.
Hi friends, today we are going to make a magnetic door security alarm system using a normally open magnetic switch. And this is the simplified circuit diagram. And here we can see 270 ohm resistor we need and one speaker. Okay, and one BC547 transistor and a magnetic switch. The magnetic switch is normally open. Magnetic, it's in green color. You can see that is in normal state. If there is no magnet near to the sensor will not pass any electricity through the magnetic switch. Okay, and we can see BC547 transistor is there. This circuit diagram is simplified and is given below. Like now you can see from this diagram you can um, easily grasp where to connect, which point needed to connect, which point is negative and which is positive. Here this speaker have one leg is more length, and this is the positive leg of the speaker, and this positive leg of the speaker needed to connect the BC547 transistor collector. In this diagram it is marked as C, the connection marked as C. Okay, and this speaker positive leg and the BC547 transistor collector is joined together, and it is connected to the 9 volt DC battery, and the speaker negative side is connected to the emitter of the BC547 transistor, and it is connected to the negative side of 9 volt battery. Okay, from the collector side of the BC547 transistor, one wire taken and it is connected to the magnetic switch or magnetic sensor, and its another end of the magnetic sensor is connected to the base of the circuit. And this is the circuit diagram. Okay. Okay, I made this circuit diagram. According to this circuit diagram, I made it in the PCB board. I didn't show the video because it takes little bit more time, and our video length will be go more, and you will not like that. That's why I skipped it. If you properly connected all the components, the circuit will beep sound. I the rest will keep. You have to keep like this. Okay, now the practical, we have to connect to the magnet to the door and the sensor circuit to the door. Now you can see I just connect the circuit like this. Okay, using a double side tape. When I connect this wire, the buzzer will make sound. So now I need to put one magnet here. Okay, after then when I connect this wire, this will not make sound. So I just need to connect the magnet there. Okay friends, now you can see the door is closed. There is no sound is there. When I open this door, the buzzer will make sounds. I close it, the sound will not come. Instead of this speaker, we can also use the LED or something else.